As a busy mom, wife, and business owner, I sometimes miss the most important meal of the day, and that's breakfast. But today, I have 3 easy, healthy, and delicious breakfast recipes for you, all made in a muffin tin. For the first recipe, we are going to be making omelet cups. You will need a dozen eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cups chopped cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup chopped onion, a cup of chopped spinach, a 1/4 cup just for measuring when we get it all mixed up. You'll need a whisk, a large bowl, and of course your muffin tin. Take your whisk, mix it up. Oh, this is beautiful. With our egg mixture mixed, it is time to fill up our muffin tins. This is where that handy dandy 1/4 cup measuring comes in play. If you don't have silicone liners, do not worry about it. Simply use a cooking spray and you're good to go. Now let's go get these cooked. For our second recipe, we are going to be making flourless protein muffins. We're going to be using 3 eggs, 2 to 3 super ripe bananas. We're going to use half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/3 to 1/4 cup honey, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, a half a cup of chocolate chips, and we will have 1 cup of peanut butter. This next part is super easy. Literally throw everything in there, whisk it up, and keep it moving. That's all mixed. Simply take your cooking spray and spray each cup until it's evenly coated. Here's a great tip. I love using an ice cream scoop. Not only does it measure out the perfect amount, but it's super easy to use, and it keeps cleaning down to a minimum. With everything in the pan, we are ready to take this over to the oven. For our third and final recipe, we are going to be making oatmeal on the go. You're going to need 2 eggs, 2 cups of mashed bananas, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. We're gonna go ahead and just leave our toppings to whatever it is that you desire, but I'm using strawberries, chocolate chips, and peanut butter. I mean, there's endless options here. You'll notice that my 2 cups of mashed bananas are in a larger bowl, because we're literally going to throw everything into this bowl. Our 2 beaten eggs, vanilla, baking powder, and our oats. Whisk them all together. Now it's time to fill our muffin tins. I love using my ice cream scoop because it allows me to put in the perfect amount each time. It also helps with cleanup. My absolute favorite part is adding the toppings. You'll see I have 3 different toppings. I'll have 3 different options. That way everyone in my family can have their absolute favorite. You'll notice that I put the peanut butter inside of a bag. Clip the ends so it makes it super easy to use. Think about icing a cupcake. All of our toppings are on. Let's go put this in the oven. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.